as I am working as social CRT in KGB from Nirgud district. Today we will learn social studies second lesson, the idea of development, remaining part. Yes, we continue this lesson. Today we will learn income of different criteria. Look at the children, see the picture. Some comparative data of select states. Give some different states. Give some per capita income amount. Give some IMR. IMR means instant mortality rate. Give some literacy rate. Give some net attendance rate. Today we go to class. We have seen the different countries' guesses in criteria. Previous example discussed above. Country A, country B. What criteria of these countries? World Bank has given statistics of per capita income. One example is our states in our country. See the example income of Punjab is per capita income 78,000 rupees. Himachal Pradesh is 74,000 rupees. Bihar is 25,000 rupees are there. As per calculations of World Bank, Punjab stands first place. See the children, Punjab stands first place, Himachal second place, Bihar is third place. Next, take criteria of the infant mortality. Next, criteria of infant mortality in Punjab 42% and Himachal Pradesh 36%, Bihar is 62%. And you will understand criteria that a state is a well-developed highest and per capita income. Why the children age of the less than 5 years, infant mortality rate us every year like Bihar when very high. Bihar is very high, but it is come very low. Himachal Pradesh 36. Punjab is better hospitals in Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh 36 people dying every year. How do you criteria state when compared to Himachal Pradesh? So children, next. So the Himachal Pradesh addressing issue very clearly. Why it better than those region Himachal Pradesh? The infant mortality rate is very less compared to Himachal Pradesh. At the same time, income is very less, so facilities may be less. Next, coming to literacy rate. As per general expectation, where a country is highest, our literacy rate is high. But Punjab is only 77%. Himachal Pradesh is 84%, Bihar is 64%. In case Himachal Pradesh, how do you accept higher than the most higher per capita region? Again issue here, the Himachal Pradesh government has concentrated as the citizens, provided well facilities, schools, hospitals, the public distribution system. See here, schools, hospitals, public distribution system made it ensure that. And coming to the next, attendance rate. Punjab is 76, Himachal Pradesh is 90%, Bihar is 56%. Again it's clear that only can't fetch everything when society needs. Automatically logically think you done if you want to study in school where you are staying in. Next, village nobody has interested any schools to children to workplace and other places. You can't accept that the school established particular individual established school, it is society or situation of the government which provide circumstance to establish something. We need hospitals every day. We don't establish everything. If you are going to any school far away from village for your parents, need to some amount on that. It could be possibility overall, it could be development of society. It's compulsory to address. That the situation and environment has been done. Only facilities are provided. Only money to can't fetch. You are better facilities where society motivated to what kinds of situations need you get things. So we have seen the issue only the poor per capita income doesn't provide the clarity for us. Various of issues countries have developed, so the scientists, activists come for to accept that it is Human Development Index. Next, we learn Human Development Index. HDI, Human Development Index. Next, we learn Human Development Index. Why it got Human Development Index? Life expectancy, average income of schooling, per capita, US dollars. Protecting human to development. We learn this was life expectancy, average years of schooling, per capita, US dollars. Next, HDI known as Human Development Expectancy. Life expectancy, how many years of the child is protected, length of life at the time of the birth. Next, average income of schooling. What is average learning? When is like joining to school? 5.5 years, 5 years or 10 years starting. Next, per capita income US dollars. Look at this children. We are not negating per capita income. The consider the per capita income also along with other criteria. The country developing, the mostly depends upon per capita income. Next, prefixing human to development. Human to development. Human development index nothing but human to development. All things are issue or development person. Society is development of nation. Every individual development is country is developed. Children, we're going to example of development of Himachal Pradesh. Different areas are there in the board. Why is different? Where is development in other areas? We can learn. Now, Himachal Pradesh actually low geographical place. Himachal Pradesh having many with hilly regions, not proper transport facilities them, not completely rural place, rural areas covered. Even then, how did Himachal Pradesh people got in the highest literacy rate? Very fees for the parents that first stand have taken. Next, the schools established every near by places, village headquarters, village regions, everywhere, and in the schools provided by the facilities like good teacher. They have toilet facilities where we don't have public toilet facilities. Boys and girls separately. Unsafe drinking water provided them. It is done from 1990s. It process of 1994 or 1996. It comes 2005. It reached apex of feed that the case study was done in Himachal Pradesh average Indian citizens. Indian government will with all other states. With all other states, 1049 rupees were every child for education. Where only the Himachal Pradesh is 2005 rupees per a child. It is highest one. It needs from money to invest it. They invested properly on because they got lot of changes in the society which are very much important for us. If you address them, you get the idea that the average schooling has come up. The 10 years in the average schooling of Himachal Pradesh and they got lower gender bias. Very critical development in Himachal Pradesh. Achieved in 10 years period. Gender bias means variation between boys and girls. High in northern states where we don't have equal respect to girls. Even girls becoming as scientists, doctors, forest officers, etc. And all higher posts. Mothers try them, dream and aim. Because most of the children in Himachal Pradesh were educated and outside employees. Another important achievement in Himachal Pradesh, child mortality rate. You know, children, what is mortality rate? See here, Indian generally hatred of girl child. We have killing of girl child, like killing high in Indian society. Himachal Pradesh also people take care girls and die equally. But the percentage of boys dying more when compared to girls. Don't have any discrimination in child and girl. They are equal bias. The statistics show that boys die more here. So they all go to job work outside and they educated children personally. They train very well because Himachal Pradesh active Mahila Mandals, there are very active social groups. They participate even in the village social activities. So development issue concerning only spend money on issues and anything, but it mix of all goals. Here we have seen they provides investment schools. They did not invest only thing for development. The gender bias, offer women employment or control child mortality rate. It is the what is provided grassroots level education were given for them, which brought understanding the society. What are natural things, what is right and what is wrong. Get clear idea like what should not done. So we got low gender bias, more schooling attended. Consequence of schooling, child mortality rate reduced, women employed has a respect like women were employed in society, will respect society and family. They can have rights, jobs, their own income, and they can plan future for children. So like this, like you plan properly and executed and not only investment should be done wisely. On long span, you get the best results. leads development of the nation. Development is a mixture of goals. I say, whose development is important? Children, listen. Children's development is important. Children, you concentrate in your life and got more development for the nation. This lesson is over, children. Take homework. All of you see, children, give homework. First question, define literacy rate. Second question, what do you mean by IMR? Third question, what are the factors help to achieve the high literacy in Himachal Pradesh? Fourth one, what are the limitations of comparing different nations in their per capita income? Children, do this homework regularly. Next class, we learn all this importance in second lesson. Next class will continue after this. Thank you very much.